These 7 things that I'm about to talk about are going to make it so your day gets so good that it doesn't even matter if you scroll or go on your phone. Because if you do these 7 things and they're not that challenging to do, you just gotta take some time to do them and you're good. So the first thing that you can do is do 10 push-ups before you go on your phone. So do those 10 push-ups however you have to do them. These are just going to be simple things, like I said, which just allow you to get a small win. And with that small win, it'll almost make you want to do more of it. Like the second thing, just read one line in a book. Open that book and read one line, one sentence. The third thing is try to get something out of this day that will make this day stand out. Something that you can be like, oh yeah, this happened on this day. So, for example, I went to this nature place near me and got a cool picture of the water with the ice still being there and not melted fully. It was a really nice day out. I did that, and I also had some indoor soccer. The next thing you can do is brainstorm 3 other things that you can do in your day and do those other things. Think of 3 other things you can do before you go on your phone. Another thing I want you to try to do is to just step outside for a minute. You don't have to be occupied by doing something. You don't have to have some event planned. Just be outside. Spend a minute outside. It doesn't have to be life-changing, but getting that fresh air. Put on a coat or I feel like everyone can be outside for an extra minute. It's just so nice out. I don't even want to say anything. I just want to chill and embrace this calmness. So think about other things you can do while I just sit here for a minute. I'm not going to cut it out. I just want to sit here. The next thing I want to say for you that you can do is say that you like yourself. Smile, because that can really go a long way. And look at this cool stick. It's like a boomerang. But seriously, tell yourself, say right now, I like myself. I like myself. Say it with me. I like myself. I like you too. Now, the last thing you can do is join that free community I have in the description. You'll get a bunch more ideas. You'll connect with a lot more people and find more ways to lower your screen time and find more things to do. And a bonus thing that you can do is, if you want to work with me to lower your screen time, click that Calendly link in the description and book a call. All of these things that I've said can give you a taste of what it feels like of other things that you can do besides go on your phone. So make sure to do all of these things before thinking about clicking on the next video, and hope you have a good one. See you inside the community.